Hello and welcome to the last day of the LifterLMS Black Friday All November sale. That's where you can save 20% on LifterLMS and get $2,000 worth of bonuses if you make your purchase during the month of November. So if you're ready to start with or switch to the most customizable, powerful learning management system for WordPress with incredible support and community around the project, today is the day to do it. If you like to save, we will be running this sale again a year from now. So if you're not ready, just go ahead and download our free plugin and get started with that. But if you are ready to invest in yourself and your business and get rolling with LifterLMS and the full power and capabilities of what it can offer, go to the LifterLMS website, go to the pricing page, select the bundle or the individual add-ons that's right for you, and then enter the coupon code Black Friday 21 at checkout. Our mission is to lift up others through education, and it's great to be with you on the journey.